Hello everyone, welcome to the online class. In our previous video, we had already discussed what is numbers. Now today we will start with the exercise. Let's start. Write the word form of the following numbers. We have to write the form of the numbers. First one, 24,056. We have to write in number. First one, 24,056. We will write 24,056. Move to the next one, that is 23,430. We have to write in words 23,434. 23,434. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. That is 23,434. Move to the next one. Third one. That is 99,999. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 99,999. Understand, students? Students, you have to write with me also. Move to the next example, that is 80,511. Next one, fourth example, 80,511. We will write in words 80,511. Now, this part you have to do yourself. Move to the next question. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. Students, in our previous class, we had already discussed what is expanded form. Let's start with the exercise. First one. Question second. First part. That is 12,372. We have to expand it this term. First one, ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, then 10,000. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 12,372. Move to the next part. 23,434. Next, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, that is 10,000. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. That is 23,434. Move to the next part. That is 45,302. Let's start. Ones, then tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000. That is 45,302. Move to the next part. Fourth, 75,004. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then 10,000. That is 75,004. Students, this part is your homework. You have to do yourself. Move to the next one. Write the following in the numeral form. In this question, ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म है, हमको इसको न्यूमरल फॉर्म में लिखना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000. दैट इज 45,772. Understand, students? Move to the next part. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. That is 60,026. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Next. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. 39,908. That is 39,908. Move to the next one. Next, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. We will write 52,801. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Understand, students? Move to the next one. Write the numeral for the following. Students, now we have to write the numbers from the words. Let's start. 2,546. 2,546. Next, 94,080. 94,080. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Next, 22,407. 22,407. 22,407. Next, 5,002. We have to write 5,002. Okay, move to the next question. Write the place value of 6 and 2 in the following number. Students, in this question, we have to write the place value of 6 and 2. Let's start. Okay, let's start from the first question. That is, this is question number 6. First part. 28,506. We have to tell the place value of 6 and 2. place value of 6, that is 6 ones, and 2 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, that is 20,000. Move to the next one. This is fifth question. Part number first. Move to the second one. That is 36,265. Let's start with, we have to tell the place value of 6 and 2. Ones, tens. There are 2 6. How many 6? 2 6. Tens. Then 100,000. 6,000. Then we have to tell the place value of 2. That is 200. Understand students? Students, हमको यहाँ पे 2 6 की वैल्यू और 2 की बतानी थी. Ones, tens, that is 60. Then 100, that is 200. Then 1000, that is 6,000. Move to the next one, third part. That is 52,266. 52,266. Again we have to tell the place value of 6 and 2. There are 2 6 and there are 2 2. We have to tell first 6, that is 6. Then 60. Then 100. And then 1000. Understand students? You have to do all this work in your maths notebook. I will check your notebooks. Move to the next part, that is fourth part. Move to the fourth part. $69,242. Again, you have to tell the place value of 2 and 6. Let's start. 2, that is ones. Then ones, tens, 100. That is 200. Then 1000, 10,000. 60,000. Move to the next part, fifth one, that is 82,563. Again, we have to tell the place value of 6 and 2. This is ones, tens. We will write here 60. Then 100,000. We will write here 2,000. Understand students? Move to the next question. Give the place value for the encircled digit in the following numbers. Students, in this question, already some questions are given. We have to tell the encircled digit of the place value. Let's start. Ones, tens, 100. We will write here 300. Next, ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will write here 4,000. Next, 45,326. We have to tell the place value of 4. Let's start. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We will write here 40,000. Next one, 54,342. We have to tell the place value of 5. Let's start. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We will write here 50,000. Move to the next part. 94,023. We have to tell the place value of 4 ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will write here 4,000. Move to the next part. In this part, we have to tell two place value. First one, that is 2. We will write here 2. And in 3 ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will write here 3000. Understand, students? Now move to the next question, that is 7. Use the symbol greater or less than or equals to compare the following numbers. Students, you have to compare the numbers. Let's start. First part, 2979 and 2932. You can compare with the two last digits. This is 32 and this is 79. Which one is the bigger? 2979. Move to the next part. 5423 and 5432. Again we have to compare last two digits. This is 32 and this is 23. Which one is the bigger? 5432. Move to the next question. 8952 and 8952. They both are equal. We will put here equals to sign. Move to the next part. 6850 and this is 6852. This is 52 and this is 50. Which one is the greater? 6852. Move to the next part. This is 3675 and this is 3675. They both are equal. We will put here equals to sign. Move to the next part. 9821 and 9799. You can compare with 3-digit number. This is 821 and this is 799. Which one is the bigger? 9821. You can see. Now move to the next question. Write the following numbers into ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? It means smallest to greatest. Let's start. I will solve you one part and rest of the parts is your homework. You have to do yourself. Let's start with the first one. 26,886. Then 37,725. Then 30,840. Then 25,975. Then 40,021. We have to write ascending order. First one, that is 25,975. Then 26,886. Then 30,840. Then 37,725. Then 40,021. Understand, students? This is ascending order. And second and third part, this is your homework. You have to do yourself. Move to the next question. Write the following numbers into descending order. Now we have to write the descending order. It means greatest to smallest. Let's start with the first one. 41,525. Then 51,425. Then 34,152. Then 42,325. Then 50,925. We have to start from the greater number. Let's start from the first part. Which one is the greater number? That is 51,425. Then 50,925. Then 42,325. 42,325. Then 41,525. First one is 51,425. Then 50,925. Then 43,325. Then 41,525. And then 34,152. Understand, students? Now, second and third part is your homework. You have to do yourself. Move to the next question. Using the digit 3, 4, 0, 5 and 1, write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number. Students, you have to write the smallest and the greatest 5-digit number without repetition the digit. आपको एक भी digit repeat नहीं करनी. एक bigger number बनाना है आपको, smallest and greatest. Let's start with the smallest. That is 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5. Next, greatest. That is 5, 4, 3, 1, 0. 44,310. Move to the next one. Okay, in our next video, we will discuss important question. That's all for today. Thank you, students.